everyone! Today I will show you how to adjust the height of the net because recently we got a lot of feedbacks from our clients that they don't know how to do that. Today I will show you can do that later for yourself. Each of our model will come with the tool set. So firstly, you need to know how to take out the tool set to finish the adjusting. Firstly, press this button for like 2 seconds. And then the lock of the cushion seat will be opened. And then here is the button to open the toolbox at the side, like this. Press down this button, the side box will open. Then you will find the tool set here. Take out the tool set. To adjust the height of the net, we need to use the screw from the tool set. This one, but pay attention, we need to use this hex knopter socket head, not this one, to adjust the net. This is the adjusting hole for the net.